Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. This is another Opel collection, Opel Diplomat V8 Limousine model, 143 scale. This one, as you can see, was made from 1964 till 1967. Here's some stats. This one is way faster than the previous one that we opened. Previous one was like 145. This one's 200 kilometers per hour. This one can reach up 100 in 11 seconds. Has 190 horsepower, and I still don't know what this is. So there's the little like card background, which I'm keeping in here. I don't want to lose it. I did unscrew the car because this one had the worst, that triangle screw is the worst. Also, you can see that the car, like the plastic had melted. Luckily, there's nothing wrong with the tires. I already checked. But yeah, this is sometimes an issue. I've seen it. Luckily that the tires go into it, not this goes around the tires, like in a way where the tires get destroyed, and that's basically that. So yeah, some kind of a chemical reaction or something. I don't know, because I don't think this has been sitting in the sun at all, because yeah, that's what I think, at least. So let me put that away. Let's check out the car. So it comes in this like cream white, nice white walls, plastic base, rubber tires, a black interior. By the looks of it, there's not much. Well, there is panel details, but you can't see them on the. You can somewhat see there's something in there, but not through the camera. It's pretty difficult to see it through the camera. Here's the back, looking pretty interesting with this like oval styled wheels. I mean, not wheels, but tail lights. It says Diplomat there as a reverse light right here underneath the bumper. There's some weird looking rims, I can tell you that. Here's the front. You got inserted front lights and the fog lights. You got your windshield wipers, your mirror, turning signals. Yeah, I personally dig it. I think it's a cool model. Also, very not non-expensive one. It's pretty cheap. If you're wondering how cheap, it is from 15 to 20 euros. So in that price range. Maybe you can find these for cheaper somewhere. I don't know. I'm getting them from second hand, so I don't know if that person had these cars in this collection or what. I just know that every month he's offering some models. He buys something for himself, I think, and he just orders some extra stuff in, and then the extras he just sells or something like that. That's what I think. I'm not fully sure if that's what he does. Like, that's how I think. I don't know if that's how he does it. Wow, it's raining today like crazy. But yeah, that's that. Quick video on this model. As you can see, it rolls also perfectly fine with no issues. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.